Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this easy gorgeous glam makeup look. So this look is inspired by spring, so I needed something more colorful, stunning and gorgeous. So why not? Yeah. So I'm also going to show you guys how I curled my hair and styled it. So if you're interested in how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the OPV Beauty eyeshadow palette. I used the Ocean palette and the other palette, I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, I showed you guys. So what I did was really simple, very straightforward. I applied red undertone eyeshadow as my transition shade, and I went ahead and applied a brown eyeshadow as well. This is a very simple look, so everything I do is self-explanatory. And yeah, I just kept blending the reddish tone shade with the brown one. Then I used my concealer to cut my crease, and then went ahead and take the Ocean palette and apply the yellow shade from the palette on my lids. So I thought, you know what, I might as well just go on for a sunset type of look. Then I applied the orange shade at the outer corner of my lids, which I'm actually feeling right now. This look was actually unplanned, but I just went up with the vibe and I'm loving it so far. I went ahead and used my English gel liner to line my eyes, and yep, that's the finished look for that's the end of the eye makeup look. So yeah, I used the Lottie mascara. Yeah, Lottie mascara, I believe. Yeah, and then I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. The lashes that I use in this tutorial is by Veyelash. Guys, you guys need to get these lashes. I actually use their 30 what's it called? I think the 30 eyelashes in the set. So I'm going to show you guys in my next video, but if you've been watching my video very well, you guys would have already seen their lashes that I love a lot. It's a set of 30 pieces, if that makes sense. But yeah, I also have a coupon code for you guys if you are interested in their lashes, so I'll link that down below as well. So, and also, by the way guys, if you get 2 lashes, you will also get free shipping, roughly $15 worth of eyelashes for free shipping, if that makes sense. Yeah, so yeah. I I went ahead and used my L'Oreal primer and also the L'Oreal True Matte foundation. I really like this foundation a lot. It's very lightweight, and at the same time it's full, medium to full coverage, which is also beautiful as well. I believe I had the shade lighter than my skin tone, but yeah, I wasn't so fussed about it, because obviously I knew when I do my contour, I'm going to bring warmth back to my face. So I applied my concealer with the Fenty Beauty brushes, and I like this brush a lot. If you're the type that really like to use brush as opposed to sponge, then I definitely recommend that you guys get these brushes. It's one of my favorite if I am not in the mood for using sponges. So yeah, moving on, as always, I use my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey. If you are someone close to my skin tone, or a little bit lighter or a little bit darker, I highly recommend that you get this translucent powder. It's one of the best that I've tried in ages. The translucent powder has a yellow undertone, which is really amazing. So for today's look, I actually decided to use the Contour by Huda Beauty, which is also one of my favorite because it blends in really well into my skin. And yeah, moving on, I applied the setting spray by Huda Beauty, then the Pixie Beauty highlighter palette, which is also one of my favorite, because you get to have like 12 eyeliner shades that could also be used as a blush. So yeah, it's one of my go-to as well. So moving on to my hair, well, all I did is really simple here. As I mentioned earlier, I just sprayed the heat protection spray on my hair and then used the hot comb to slowly melt the hair in, like give that flat look, if that makes sense. So yeah, and I use the 2-3 curler to curl my hair. And you guys already know, when I curl my hair, I always like to curl it away from my face. That's the easiest way to explain this. But otherwise, if I want to go if I want a tighter curl using the same curler, I would, use the curler the opposite way. Yeah, just the opposite way from what I'm doing right now if you want a tighter curl. So you can still use the same curler to achieve different styles of curls. So yeah, that's all I did so far. And what do you guys think? For me, I am feeling this look. I actually think it's one of my go-tos, especially when it's summer. I always like to use yellow and orange for some reason. I just don't know. I'm just, a huge fan of yellow and orange tone shadows when it's almost summer or springtime. Yeah. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the look. So far so good. I am loving it. And yeah, as you guys can tell, the look is giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, if there's anything you guys would like to know, or if there's any look you guys would like me to create, or if there's anything at all that you guys would like me to, show you how to, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. And also, guys, I've been filming a lot of hair color series for you guys. I really can't wait to share them with you guys. You're in for a treat, trust me. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and if you're not, don't forget to turn on the notification button, because you don't want to miss them. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. They are amazing. I put in so much effort in this series, so I know for sure that you guys are gonna enjoy watching them, and you guys will learn a whole lot from these videos, from styling your hair, applying bleaches to your hair, coloring your hair, a whole lot of info packed in all these videos. So yeah, summer is around the corner, and you guys definitely want to wear colored hair. I mean, black is boring when it comes to summer, so why not spice up your look with amazing different colors and tones? So yeah, I have a lot in store for you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.